do you determine who's at fault when there's an injury out on a construction site?
Well, you know, they can be very complicated matters, Lynn. We have several of these kind of cases in our office now. Construction sites can be an accident waiting to happen. You know, when you think about dangerous equipment, hazardous materials, exposure to the elements, even injuries caused by other contractors, Lynn. But studies have shown that the main cause of these injuries is the failure of the construction companies themselves to follow the safety regulations. And so, you know, when you consider people that might be liable if you're injured on a construction site, one, you've got certainly the property owner. Did they do everything they should have? The architect, potentially, the designer of the building itself, or maybe a piece of equipment malfunctioned, and so at that point, the individual would have a cause of action against the equipment manufacturer. We've currently got cases in our office, anything ranging from skylights that fail to a crane that has failed on a construction site, to even there's a case that Mac Glover just settled in Dallas County where an industrial dryer went bad and crushed a lady, killed her. And so they can be certainly very dangerous, and we're happy to help any of our viewers who have experienced any kind of loss related to that.
Serious situations out there on construction sites.
You know, the thing about it is, unlike in a car wreck, if you're in a car wreck, you may or may not be injured. If you're hurt on a construction site, it's going to be pretty bad. A loss of limbs, paralysis, or death, usually.